I'm Shiloh, this is my bike check. We have a 2010 Motor Beacon track frame. It's Originate seat posts, Palo saddle.
Hella ripped.
I have yeah, pretty ripped. Volume hipster bars.
Volume.
Some really worn out Ori grips. Black market stem. Stock spacers. I got a KFC chain. I mean, 46 tooth Sugino Messenger chain ring. I got some Haro pedals with some custom prime straps. I made the bottom. I got the back 36 hole lineman with a sealed hub, not a unsealed hub. Have you seen that before? Yeah, dude. The 32C Pan Racer Urban Max tire. And in the front, I got 650 B43 with a CST 23C tire, laced to Originate hub.
Sealed hub?
Sealed hub.
Sealed hub.
And I think that's about it. Oh, my ratio. Ratio is 46:15.
Can't mash.
Yeah, I can't mash. It's no trick.
Hey, look, a ball.